laryngoscope set. Model is VL01. It contains video laryngoscope, its power adapter, charging cable and mag blades. So mag 4 blade, we are having one channel blade and this is non-channel blade. So in channel blade, this extra slot is there, which becomes easy for the intubation tubing to be inserted to the patient. And this is non-channel blade, which is not having extra slot. So this is BPL Video Laryngoscope. So this is having 2 megapixel camera and 16 GB storage. This is the battery indication. This is the dead end time. The screen is rotatable. So there are 4 keys in the back side: on-off key, mode key and up and down key. Single press, it will be on. So this key is for taking images. Single press, images will be clicked and hold for 2-3 seconds. Video recording will start. So to stop the recording, single press. Now how to view that? Press on the M button, then up and down keys. If you want to see the video, press again M button. So this is the video. For playing it, again M button. To stop, again M button. And to come back to the screen, press this button. So you can charge this video laryngoscope from here. How to insert blade? Match this and press. While removing,